So for this project we will be using a 5mm crochet hook. The first thing we need to do is make a loop stitch. Chain 3, slip stitch into the first one, chain 1, half double crochet 8 in here, to finish the row, slip stitch into the first one, chain 1, half double crochet by 2 in every chain, then go in here and half double crochet 1, slip stitch into the first one to complete the row, chain 1, now half double crochet by 2 in every other chain. To finish the row, slip stitch into the first one, chain 1, and on the fourth row do a half double crochet by 1 in each chain. continue to do that until you have a total of 13 rows from the beginning. When you have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 rows, chain 1, then half double crochet into the same chain, and continue to half double crochet by 1 in every chain until you are left with 5 chains only. Now that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains, into chain 1, turn our work around, and then we need to half double crochet 1 in here to this chain, and in every chain on this row. Chain 1, turn your work around, half double crochet into the same chain, and then continue to half double crochet by 1 in every chain for the rest of the row. Chain 1, turn your work around, and continue to repeat these same steps from now on, and I will check back with you later. Okay guys, when you have 11 rows from here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, or 24 rows from the beginning, you need to turn your slipper inside out, okay, so go in here and here, you need to pull your stitch through, chain 1, then you put your hook through both these chains, slip stitch, and you need to repeat that for the entire row. Expand your last stitch, put your work through it, tighten the yarn, cut it and loose the ends. Okay guys, now you can make the border if you like. So you need to put your hook through any of these openings, wrap the yarn around the hook, pull it through, chain 1, and then you need to single crochet for the entire row. To finish the row, slip stitch into the first one, expand your last stitch, and put your yarn through it. This is how the finished slipper looks like. I hope you guys like it. Thank you so much for watching. Please share and subscribe.